Hello, as you can see here, I plugged in the cable, but there is no signal at all. Here, it was plugged in under, together with the 3-meter cable that I'm using. This one. Okay, so I will post the video and connect it directly without the cable. Here now, as you can see, there is, because I'm using the 3-meter cable directly. Even if I switch it off and switch it on, wait, it's taking some time. It show my display. Earlier using this, it's not working. I also tried this one and the cable as well, it's not working.